What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now, getting ready to try to do our 5-box mixer 717. It'll be running later tonight. We're going to fill it up here today with a couple minis by the look of things, so good luck. 4 spots up for grabs here. Top 3 are winners. We got 11:44 on the clock. Here's your list. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3. You're looking to be top 3 here, folks. Timestamp on 3 says 11:44. 11:44 it is. Last and final. Good luck. And there we have it. We got Pat in spot 8 taking home 2. Mr. Stockley in spot 7. He's taking home 1. And Besser is taking home 1 in spot 10. So there's your winners. We'll get your 4th and final timestamp. 8, 7, and 10. 8, 7, and 10 are the lucky ones. So congratulations, guys. I'll tag you to make your picks. 11:44 and 11:45 it just turned. So congratulations again, Pat, Mike, and Besser. You guys done it. We'll see you for the break tonight, and best of luck.